I don't know whether you can hear it. That's a parakeet. It's just flew into the garden. Oh, it's gone off. I've been trying to make it a home for them in the garden, and they seem at home when they come and they eat the moringa. It's the seeds from the moringa drumsticks. So these are some young drumsticks. So they wait until it's dry, like those three at the top, and then they strip them open. So that one up there, there's one just there that looks like it's going to be stripped. And then once they've stripped them, they remove the seeds, and the drumsticks just drop onto the floor. So like this one, that's been stripped open, and then they eat it. The other thing that they seem to like eating is the seeds from the tropical black sage, which, let's just give you a better look. I've got quite a few of them as small plantlets growing. Once the seeds drop, it's just like, oh my gosh, it can be an invasive plant. Well, in my garden it can. But this one, I allowed it to grow as a tree, and I like the way it's shaped itself. And it used to be a lot lower, and I said it was trying to be a tree. You see my little recycled tyres here. But oh my gosh, it's amazing how even this side has come up. I'll try and find a video where I've just laid them out basically, and there's nothing growing in them. But yeah, this is a combination of the Bayesian, what they call ackee, we call it guinip in Jamaica, and the tropical black sage, which is here. And look at the bark. And then we've got... So I just rely on some of the smaller plants in terms of using their leaves. I make a tea with it. I use it like a sage stick. So you bundle up some leaves and then you can burn them. It purifies the air. It's got a really lovely smell. But then they're growing everywhere. So, the seeds just drop, the birds drop them, and we've got quite a few growing here. And there's a few smaller plants growing here. I've removed most of them. And then we've got, quite a few. Look, not that one. Quite a few growing in that bed. And there. Yeah, so they're plentiful. So I was like, yeah. And so the parakeets fly up and they eat. There's like once you get the seed heads, I'll see if I don't know whether I can find any now, but there's usually like a single red berry in amongst it. And I think that's what they go for. But so we're trying to attract more parakeets. There is quite a few around the island, and they usually go over into my neighbour's garden, and some come up here and sit in this big moringa tree, and that's, the seed pods as well, the drumsticks. Anyway, so yeah, that's the... We'll see if we can attract any more. I did once see a blue parakeet fly into the garden. It was just such an amazing feeling. Never seen it again. It was just one lone one. I usually see the green ones, sort of like 2, 3 flying together. Anyway, so I hope you're having a blessed day. And it does look like it's going to rain, although it may just be a couple of teaspoonfuls on the garden. Yeah, I can feel a little drop there. So you take care.